Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. You need to begin by tapping on one of your apps that you wish to access in this view, like Play Store. Now access your chosen app in the background. In order to do that with tricky navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Then tap on the icon of your app and select Open in pop-up view. Now, as you can see, I can use my app in this little window. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. When you're ready, just let go. Now, if you wish to use your app, overlay the other app, hold one of its corners and resize it to the perfect size. Tap on the other one and operate in both. Then just click on Home button if you want to go back. As you can see, my app turned into a bubble. To access it, click on the bubble. Lastly, to go back to the standard size app, you can always drag it to Remove section at the bottom, or simply close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!